It's a great day for hockey cards, and today I'm going to take a look at 21-22 Upper Deck Series 1 Hockey. Home of the Young Guns. Getting 8 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. Notable Young Guns in here: Jeremy Swayman, Cole Caulfield, Spencer Knight, Trevor Zegras. This box is currently selling for about $73 US. So I don't think that's a bad price, personally, for this product, especially being that a lot of the rookie crop is still kind of young in here, so you might have some young guns that increase in value. And this is a bigger break, so we're just going to jump right into it. Connor McDavid on the packs. The first pack, of course, tears weirdly, which is not a good sign for the rest of the box. Here we go. We've got Samuel Girard, Jesse Puljujarvi, Andre Palat. And our first young gun is Tarmo Reunen. Jeff Carter, Jeff Petrie, and Mikko Koskinen. So we should get 6 young guns out of here, but sometimes that's... if you get one of the parallels, you can sometimes pull more than that out. Dominic Kubalik, Zach Werenski, Sean Walker, Rasmus Ristolainen, Alex DeBrincat. That's probably a street clothes photo variation there. Dylan Strome, Cal Peterson, and Vladislav Nemestikov. And that's what I'm guessing that is a parallel, because we didn't pull any other inserts in there. Chris Tierney, Nicholas Delorier, got Kevin LeBlanc, young gun of Shane Pinto, Charlie Coyle, Shea Weber, Sean Monahan, and Cappy. Brad Marchand, Sid the Adult, Carter Hart. We've got a rookie retrospective of Pius Suter, Darnell Nurse, Anton Khudobin, Cale Makar, and Vitek Vanacek. Andrei Vasilevsky, Jack Campbell, Jacob Voracek. Our first canvas is going to be Zach Hyman, Adam Henrique, Troy Terry, Claude Giroux, and Adam Boquist. Alexander Radulov, Jared McCann, Clayton Keller. There's Laffy, Mario Ferraro, Willie Nylander, Blake Wheeler, and Tim Stützle. Tyler Toffoli, Milan Lucic, Tristan Jarry, Kevin Lankinen. Got a young gun of Cal Burrows, Anders Lee, Marc-Andre Fleury, who's also in the background today, hoisting the cup, and Roman Josi. Marty, Brett Pesce, Alex Iafallo, OEL. We've got a Trevor Zegras Superstar Honor Roll, Josh Archibald, Nils Höglander, and Sebastian Aho. Tyler Seguin, Eric Robinson, Alex DeBrincat, Craig Smith, and we've got an electromagnetic Nick Backstrom. The Hammer, Charlie McAvoy, and Jiggity Jake Guentzel. Nick Backstrom, Torrey Krug, Patrice Bergeron. Got a portrait of Jason Robertson, Oscar Lindblom, Miles Wood, Riley Smith, and Chris Kreider. Come here, pack. I knew it. This is going to happen with this box. I'll open it from the bottom. Upper Deck put the good cards in here. They made it tough to open. Trevor Moore, Thomas Greiss, Brent Burns. We've got a Nick Suzuki canvas. Looks like Nick scoring a goal there. Oh, that's a real cool picture on the back, too. Drew Doughty, Martin Jones, Tanner Pearson, and Rasmus Anderson. Nick Hague, Lexi Lafreniere, Jordan Greenway, Patrick Hornquist, and a young gun of Garrett Pilon, Kevin Hayes, TJ Brody, and Justin Hall. Oh my God. These packs are killing me. Jeez. Jesse Puljujarvi, Andre Palat, Marty Nikas, whatever. I can never get his name right. We've got a jersey. Jacob Trouba, Koskinen, and Noah Hannafin. I do know how to pronounce his name. I've looked it up, watched videos with him in it. My brain just will not pronounce that name. Just won't do it. So we're just not gonna. There's Laffy again. Jordan Greenway. Patrick Hornquist. Sam Girard. And Michael Hauser, young gun. Justin Hall. Jeff Carter. And Jeff Petrie. Brett Pesci, Alex Iafallo, OEL, Brad Marchand, got Adam Fox, Josh Archibald, Nils Höglander, and Sebastian Aho. Jacob Voracek, Brendan Gallagher, Ethan Bear, young gun of Tanner Jeannot, Vitek Vanasek, Adam Henrique, Troy Terry, and Claude Giroux. Sid the Adult, Carter Hart. A lot of duplicates in this box. Andre Vasilevsky, Jack Campbell. Portrait of Jacob Bernard Docker. Darnell Nurse, Khudobin, and Cale Makar. I think we've seen that whole pack before, just about. Johnny Gaudreau, Philip Zadina, Thatcher Demko, Matt Tkachuk, and we've got a Gabe Vilardi canvas. Adam Boquist, Shea Theodore, and Elvis. Thomas Chabot, Bo Horvat, Adam Lowry, Carter Verhaeghe, Got a R2 Roostalainen, Young Gun, Jonas Donskoy, Colin White, and Cam Fowler. Devon Taves, Jake DeBrusk, UC Saros, Jordan Bennington, Hundo P of Sidney Adult, Jeff Skinner, Jason Robertson, and Jason Zucker. Anthony Cirelli, Artemi Panarin, Josh Bailey, got JT Compher, got a Rupe Hintz canvas, Nick Schmaltz, John Carlson, and David Perron. JG Pajot, Morgan Riley, Jason Robertson, and Kaprizov. Checklist. Connor Hellebuck on a roll. Timo Meyer, Kershev, Miro Heiskanen, and Marcus Foligno. All the way to the end. These packs. Michael Bunting, Mackenzie Blackwood, Victor Hedman, Electromagnetic, Krill, Jack Hughes and Lafreniere, Domi, Matt Grzelcyk, and Eli Tolvanen. Last pack. So it's not going to open right either. That's okay. Matt Zuccarello, Semyon Varlamov, Braden Shen. We got a blue dazzler of Connor McDavid. That's the best one you can get. The Dizzle Dazzles. Justin Falk, Yanni Gord, Jacob Trouba, and Jordan Eberle. And there you have it. 21-22. Upper Deck Series 1 Hockey. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. If you like the video, if you like the channel, please take a moment and subscribe. It's the summertime, and it's kind of depressing watching no subscribers accumulate over the summer because it's so slow with hockey. But thanks for watching, as always, and I will see you next time.